In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print OneNote note pages if you need a hard copy of a note for reference, meetings, studying, or filing away. OneNote makes the process pretty simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to print a single note page from the OneNote desktop app and make sure you're selecting the correct print option before sending it to your printer. To begin, open the page you want to print in the OneNote desktop app on your computer. Before moving on, take a quick moment to confirm that you're on the exact note page you want. This is especially helpful if your notebook contains several sections or pages with similar names. Since printing pulls from the page you currently have open, checking now can save you from printing the wrong content. Once your note page is open, go to the top left corner of the OneNote window and click File. This will open the main file menu where you'll find several options related to your notebook, including sharing, exporting, and printing. For this task, we're heading straight to the print settings. Next, click Print and then choose Print Preview. This step is useful because it lets you see how your note will look on paper before anything is actually printed. OneNote pages can sometimes contain wide content, images, or unusual spacing, so previewing the page gives you a chance to check the layout and avoid surprises. If something looks off, this is the best time to notice it. In the print settings, look for the print range section and select current page. This is an important step because it tells OneNote to print only the note page you currently have open, rather than printing an entire section or multiple pages. If your notebook contains a lot of content, choosing current page helps keep the print job focused and avoids wasting paper. After that, click Print. This will send your selected OneNote page to your printer using the settings you've chosen. If your computer opens your standard printer dialog box, just make sure the correct printer is selected and then confirm the print job. And that's it. Once you've gone through this process a couple of times, printing from OneNote becomes very quick and straightforward. Just open the page, go to File, choose Print and Print Preview, set the range to current page, and click Print. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.